Hey, what's up everybody? How are you guys doing today? My name's Tobias and today I have a review of the Samson C01. One of you guys actually requested that I do a review of this microphone, so I did actually go ahead and buy this microphone myself. It was not sent to me by the company or anything like that, so I really hope that this review will help some people out. Now this microphone goes for $79.99 on Amazon and it comes with free shipping, and I'll go ahead and put the link to this Amazon page down in the description below in case you would like to check that out for yourself. And in this video I'll tell you guys a little bit about this microphone. I'll show you guys the unboxing, I'll do a demonstration where I'll do several different audio tests, and in the end I'll give you guys my final review. And if at any point if you do like this video or if it helps you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button. And let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. So as you can see, the microphone comes in a padded carrying case, which I thought was pretty cool. And I was actually a little surprised that it didn't actually come with a shock mount, because there was a picture of a shock mount on the box. But right below the picture, it does say that the shock mount can be bought separately, and it states the shock mount which is compatible with this microphone. It did not come with a pop filter either, so usually when I'm doing these kinds of videos where I'm just talking and I'm not singing or anything, I'll go ahead and throw one of these wind muffs on top of the microphone just to help a little bit with the plosives and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on right now. And there we go. Also, the Amazon page clearly states that it does not come with a shock mount, so I must just not have been paying close enough attention. But anyways, the mic itself feels very solid. The outside is all made out of metal, and it has some good weight to it. It also comes on a swivel stand mount, which can be attached to any standard mic stand. I attached mine to the Toner T20 boom arm stand, which I'll also go ahead and link down in the description below. The C01 has a 19mm capsule, and it captures audio with a cardioid pickup pattern, which is just the standard pickup pattern that most microphones use. It just means that audio is mostly recorded from directly in front of the microphone. It has a gold-plated XLR connection, which will make it more resistant to oxidation and corrosion. The frequency response of the microphone looks like it's fairly even, and then it kind of tapers down around 15K to 20K. And they actually even show the frequency response from the back of the microphone, which seems to have a peak at around 6K. And since this is a XLR condenser microphone, you will need an audio interface which supplies phantom power. I'm using my Focusrite Scarlett 2x2, and I'll have the link to that interface down in the description below as well. And when the C01 is plugged into your interface and the phantom power is turned on, a blue LED light will turn on front of the microphone. And I think that covers most of it. Let's go ahead and jump into the demonstration portion of this video. What I'm going to do is I'll do several different audio tests to give us an idea of how this microphone performs. So the first thing we're going to take a listen to is the noise floor. I'm going to stop talking for a few seconds, and let's see if we can hear a low background hiss noise. And right now I'm tapping on my computer's keyboard directly behind the microphone, and I'm talking at the same time. And right now I'm standing roughly 5 feet away from the Samson C01. And right now I'm whispering straight into the microphone from about 1 inch away. And right now I'm talking directly into the back of the microphone, and this is how it sounds. Alright guys, so I just went back and reviewed all the audio that I just recorded, and I'm ready to give you my final review of the Samson C01. So the first thing I just wanted to mention really quick is that this microphone is advertised as a large diaphragm condenser microphone. Now I'm not 100% sure about this, but the size of the diaphragm in this microphone is 19 millimeters, and I was under the impression that a large diaphragm condenser microphone meant that the diaphragm was 25 millimeters or over. I might be wrong about that, but that's what I thought. So that's just kind of like a small tangent that I just wanted to get out of the way really quick. If any of you guys know whether that's true or not, please let me know down in the comments below. The next thing I wanted to talk about was the noise floor. There is an audible noise floor with this microphone. Most microphones will have some kind of a noise floor, but I gotta say, it's really not that bad, especially when you compare it to like the volume of my voice. I still think it sounds pretty good. And aside from that, I think that this microphone just sounds crisp and it sounds like it's a pretty high quality microphone. And there's nothing really about it that sticks out to me that I don't like. I'm actually pretty happy with how this microphone sounds. And at a price point of $80, I don't think I've tried out a microphone better than this one in that price range. This might be the best microphone that I've tested out under $100. But anyways, I would love to hear what you guys think. Do you agree with me? Do you disagree with me? Let me know down in the comments below. And also let me know if there are any specific microphones that you would like me to compare this one to. Feel free to let me know down in the comments below. Once again, I will have the Amazon link for this microphone down in the description below in case you would like to check that out. And if you did like this video or if it helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.